Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain how to play action cards in a Torres board game. Playing an action card costs 0 action points, so you can do it for free, but you can only use one action card per turn. So if a player has 2 action cards, they can choose if and which of the cards they want to play, but only one per turn. And the detailed description of these action cards can be found in the supplement sheet included in the box. As you can see here, this is the description. And if, for example, this player, blue player, wants to use this card, that means they will have 7 action points instead of 5 in that turn. And if, for example, the green player wants to play this card, that means they can move a knight one time to an adjacent space, and so you can move it, for example, like that, between castles that touch diagonally, and you can read the whole description on the supplement sheet. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.